In a quiet courtroom in Providence, something unbelievable was about to happen. A young, arrogant, rich teen walked in, his designer jacket shining brighter than his respect for the law. But what he didn't know was that the man sitting behind the bench, Judge Frank Caprio, would teach him a lesson he'd never forget. Of Judge Caprio calmly adjusting his glasses, the rich teen smirking, scrolling his phone, acting superior. Soft, tense background music builds anticipation. This case would leave the entire courtroom speechless. Camera pans to the teen standing before the bench. He's wearing expensive clothes, a gold watch, chewing gum, full of attitude. Judge Caprio, calm but firm. "Good morning, young man. What brings you here today?" Teen shrugs. "Just a stupid ticket. My dad said he'd handle it, but whatever." The audience murmurs. His tone oozes arrogance. Judge Caprio raises an eyebrow. "Your father may be able to pay the fine, but can he pay for your manners too?" Courtroom chuckles quietly. Judge smiles faintly, but his eyes stay serious. Judge Caprio. "Do you understand why you're here?" Teen. Yeah, I parked wrong. It's not a big deal. Just hurry up. I've got things to do." The disrespect hits the courtroom like a slap. No one could believe how rude he was. But Judge Caprio didn't lose his calm. He had seen anger, arrogance, and pain, but never this kind of pride in such a young face. Judge Caprio, calmly. "Son, let me tell you something. Every person who stands here deserves respect, including yourself. But right now, I don't see a young man. I see a mirror of someone who's lost his way." Teen rolls his eyes. Judge continues, softer this time. Judge Caprio. "I don't care about your fine. I care about what kind of man you're becoming." Audience goes silent. The courtroom atmosphere changes. The teen looks confused. Judge Caprio. "Tell me, what does your father do?" Teen, defensive. "He's a businessman. He's busy." Judge Caprio, nodding. "So he's successful. That's good. But let me ask, when was the last time you said thank you to him?" Teen stays silent. Judge Caprio. "Or help someone without expecting anything back." For the first time, the boy had no answer. The arrogance started to fade, replaced by guilt and realization. Of the teen's face and his eyes soften. Judge Caprio, gentle. "You can buy a new car, new clothes, new shoes, but not respect. That's something you earn." Judge Caprio leans forward, voice deep and emotional. Judge Caprio. "I grew up poor, son. My parents couldn't even afford shoes some days. But they gave me something priceless, humility. Maybe it's time you try wearing that." The teen's head drops. His voice breaks slightly. Teen. I didn't mean to be rude. I just feel like no one cares about me unless I act tough." Judge Caprio, softly smiling. "You don't need to act tough to be strong. True strength is in kindness, not arrogance." The courtroom was silent. The boy who walked in full of pride was now wiping away tears. Judge Caprio, compassionately. "I'm dismissing your fine, but I want you to promise me one thing. Do one act of kindness this week without telling anyone. Let that be your true payment." Teen, nodding emotional. "Yes, sir, I will." Audience softly claps. Judge Caprio smiles warmly. That day, Judge Caprio didn't just judge a case, he changed a life. And maybe he reminded all of us that justice isn't about punishment, it's about humanity. Of the teen walking out of court, looking up at the sky, wiping tears, smiling slightly. Soft music fades out. If this story touched your heart, hit that like button, comment below what lesson you learned, and subscribe for more powerful, real-life courtroom stories that restore faith in humanity. Because sometimes, the smallest act of compassion delivers the biggest justice.